Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to transfer data from iPhone to Android. This is a quick and easy method, so without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your settings, and then you want to click on your Apple ID, and over here you want to click on iCloud, and you want, as you can see, my backup is already full, but if you have an extended backup on your iCloud or you have not used your iCloud fully, then what you can do is you need to click on show all, and you want to tap on the apps that you want to have a backup of, like contacts is necessary, and Safari is necessary, and phone is necessary, but others you can turn off as you wish. And then what you need to do is go to device backups, and you want to click on backup now. Once you click on backup now, then this will start backing up your data like this, but I don't need it right now, so I just canceled it. Now when you go back to your Android phone, I want you to go to settings, then go on accounts and backups, then you want to receive data. After receiving data, you can click on iPhone, and then connect your iPhone and Android with a cable, and then tap in your Apple ID for you to transfer data from your iPhone to Android. So this is a quick and easy method on how you can transfer data from your iPhone to Android in 2024. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Elise, signing out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you.